Hey guys, I'm going to be going over my two user profiles. And for the first one, I have Ashley Garza. Ashley Garza is 22 years old. She's single with no kids. She completed high school and is in the process of going to college. She really likes to take care of her health and her body. She likes to use non-toxic chemicals, as well as products that don't test on animals. She's very much an animal lover who despises animal cruelty. She also likes to go for early morning runs and has a daily skin routine. She likes to experiment with her makeup. So that's my first user profile. Just kind of like a young girl, still kind of still starting off with life. Next, I have Tanya Flores, who is 29 years old, and she's actually married with two kids. She has a college degree, and she's actually a nurse assistant. She loves to go out on the weekends and dance. She loves high quality makeup, but does not like to spend big amounts on makeup all the time. So she kind of goes for the I guess like the mediocre type brands, just like the not so expensive brands. She's a very hard worker, and she actually originally wanted to be a veterinarian, and she really loves animals. Her income is about 60,000 a year as a nurse assistant. And yes, this is Tanya Flores for my second user profile. If y'all can let me know what y'all think. Thanks.